Hi, Kevin Sheerin. I'm going to talk to you about the NYPD disqualification appeal process. I'm going to go over the steps that may clarify what happens when you get disqualified. When you first meet with the NYPD, they're going to ask for your email address. You have to check that email address every day and your spam folder every day. If you get a notice of proposed disqualification for medical, psychological, or background issues, you have 30 days to appeal. Contact me and we'll talk over the facts of your case. I've been doing this for 23 years and I'm a retired captain from the NYPD. For psychological appeals, a psychologist will request your file, and when the file is received, you will find out what rationale they gave for disqualifying you. You will work with the forensic psychologist to prepare a rebuttal report, which will be sent to the Candidate Assessment Division on 20th Street. Most often, candidates are given a second interview. At that point, I would have the entire file, the NYPD psychologist report, and your doctor's independent report. I will work with you if you get a second interview to prepare, to understand why you were disqualified, and to understand and talk to you and prepare with you about some of the reasons you may have had problems in the past, whether it be work, school, relationships, any psychotherapy you had, or any other instances of problems. Hopefully you'll pass your second interview. Once again, timing is important. Don't wait. There are 30-day time periods, and you can stop the clock by filing an appeal. If your second interview is not successful, you'll get a final disqualification, which is also known as an NOD. We'll file an appeal with the New York City Civil Service Commission and request a hearing. If we get a hearing, I, and the psychologist will prepare thoroughly to make our strongest arguments before the commission. Many people succeed in appealing an NOPD. Don't believe people that tell you no one ever wins. If you get a hearing before the commission, we will get together as much evidence as we can and go before the commissions and argue in your favor. At the commission hearing, often they are on Zoom. You would require professional attire and demeanor, knowledge of your case. Some recommendation letters can help a bit, but they're not going to turn the case in your favor necessarily. The commission would give you a decision, and there is an Article 78 appeal that has to be filed within 4 months of receiving the decision. I would encourage you to appeal a disqualification, or at least call me to discuss the facts of your case, and I will give you my opinion on your chances of success. My number is 631-239-5825. My email is kevin@SheerinLaw. You can read my blog, which is civilservice.SheerinLaw.com, or my website, which is SheerinLaw.com. I'd be glad to help you if you get a disqualification. I will talk to you about the facts of your case. I will get back to you promptly if you text, call, or email my office, and I'd be glad to help you have a successful appeal. Thank you.